Oh shit, damn, I almost fell.
What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy AP coming at y'all with a little vlog. I ain't gonna, I'm about to just vlog today. You know, my nigga Kyle hit me up earlier talking about going to the fireworks and shit. So, you know, I might fuck it, why not? You know, I just gotta work and shit. Might take a little quick shower, and I'm about to go ahead to the car and shit, get ready to go them ways in a minute. So, I'll catch y'all in the next little clip. You feel me? I'm out. Alright, shit, I'm about to shower now. I'm about to go ahead and go. You know what I'm saying? It's not a, you know, A1 fit. It's just something light, you know, just a little, you know, for the downtown vibes. You know, I probably can't see the kicks all the way. So I don't know why it's blurry a little bit though, but feel me? My shit blurry. My shit seem blurry. Yeah. Oh, there, I gotta fix it, I think. Is that better? Oh yeah, okay, y'all see. This is a little downtown fit. Right now, I'm about to go pick up my goddaughter and shit, cause it's gonna be me, my man's, and his daughter. I'm about to go pick her up while he coming home from work and shit. Feel me? So I'm gonna catch y'all once I'm like, you know, getting ready. You know what I'm saying? Probably hot as fuck in the bed. I mean, I don't wanna get copyrighted, so I ain't gonna play music. You know? Y'all know my playlist is. I was fucking with the glasses though. You know, I have to get my dog a pair. You know, while we out with the. Well, I throw these on because it's part of the fit. I'm thinking about it. But let me go ahead and, you know what I'm saying. Till you stop. Oh yeah. Yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir. Hold on. Oh, what I say? I like how this camera looking kind of clear right here.
Yes,
sir. Yes, sir.
Not a device.
They just gave us all a new iPhone 13. So we both did.
Fine parking.
Get iPhone 13 on us with select trade-in and 5G unlimited plans for every customer. Current,
they were
new,
Detroit. Low-key. You know this fucking thing right here, bro. Nigga, they probably closed, bro.
You can't do no work.
Oh.
They got that?
I don't think so, bro. See? Probably this nigga about he about to do something. So yeah, just now be right back on a little bit. I ain't gonna lie to you. It's extremely beautiful about this bitch. That was the text you sent? That's your text that sent? For the, okay, yeah. It's beautiful as fuck out here. The sun beaming and everything.
Fireworks.
Man, I just hope this shit turn out good, bro. That's the only thing I'm worried about. This shit don't turn out bad, but you know, man, it's Detroit. But I was already recording these before I came with you. I thought we was gonna have a baby with us, but I'm like, nah. I'm like, fuck it, we ain't got it now. So, yeah, I'm fucking with the views right now. You know, we got nice enough sunlight. Hope it's like that for the rest of the day. I'm gonna get some more clips and shit. Hopefully I can. Well, how long we been out here right now? How long we been out here now?
About an hour.
About an hour. So we got down here like what? About let's say.
No, we got down here
About 5:30ish. About a little bit after 5:30. So I remember, cause I remember we was up there by the like grass and shit, by the little Eastern Market. We was still about it was like 5:39 or some shit. Yeah. So they scared the shit out of me. I don't even want to ask what this is, but I'm gonna just, you know, let it be. Let the niggas be great. Alright, 5:30. Just keep.
It's Kyle.
You can't see the truck for real, but it's not the truck, but the motherfucking boat. That bitch over there. Bro, look. Then we going through it. I couldn't even show the kids for real, but I done shook these bitches up a little bit. Let me see. Yeah, them bitches scraped up a little bit. Okay, my shit's up at the bottom. Certain sacrifice, you gotta damn that motherfucker fat. But That's certain sacrifice you gotta make when you just walking around all day. Took a few pictures of, damn, this bitch blurry. Let me get this bitch together. That's probably why it was a little blurry. Or no, I see what's wrong with it. I got the shits to make it, let me see. That's blurring out the back of the picture. But no, I ain't gonna lie. I just took some pictures of bro them dog and shit. I ain't gonna lie. The bitches, I ain't never gonna come out that good. I think if I get a lens though, the bitches will be better. But you know the lens for these type of cameras cost like $2 something. That's a good investment if I get like serious with it though. But right now I'm just bullshitting, bro. I'm gonna try to get into it, bro. Once I look at the pictures and send them to bro, he can probably just edit and do it however he want. Then once I get better, bro, I'll just, you know, try to get into that shit. I'm gonna probably hit up AINT, see if he can teach me how to work this bitch a little better. Cause I know they got the same one, but they got like the lens with they shit. So once I get my car, I can't wait. I'm probably sell that bitch in like December, bro. Get some money for it, and then do something. I swear to God, bro, I'm gonna put that money on the car and just pay both of them bitches off at the same time. I'm gonna just put something on the car. So now we downtown right now. But we finna go back to, where we finna go back to your crib right quick?
Yeah.
Yeah, we finna go back to his crib right quick, and then we go hop in another car, and then we finna be back on our way up here and shit. So we finna catch y'all once we back like in the car and shit. We already near it, but you know. Yeah, we be right back. Let me see. Some more lens so I can see. Yeah, like this, and for here you gotta press the button. See. You know. Real nigga. Picture, bro.